I've got a great update for you guys. In this update, we're going to talk about calendar availability settings and the enhancement that has been made, which is going to allow you to book 24 hours a day, which is also going to make it possible to cross days. And this is really helpful for businesses that are going to work with different time zones and cross those date lines. So the CRM now enables users to set 24-hour availability from midnight to midnight. So now let's go ahead and talk about those benefits. With this update, you're going to be able to seamlessly set availability for a full 24-hour period. This is going to ensure that all time slots, including the last slot of the day, are displayed accurately. It's also going to simplify the process of setting availability across multiple days. This has huge practical use options. So any small business owner offering whatever service they offer, including, for my example, is going to be a consultation, can now indicate round-the-clock availability. This is going to accommodate clients in different time zones, and it's going to ensure that no time slots are ever overlooked. This is going to ultimately maximize appointment bookings and client engagement. So to access this, we're going to go into Account Settings. That's going to be on the lower left-hand menu. And we're going to go ahead in those settings on the left-hand menu. We're going to select Calendars, and then we're going to make sure that we're under the Calendars area in the upper navigation. From there, go ahead and click on the three dots, which is also called the kebab, on any appointment or any calendar that you specifically have. And once you click that kebab on the calendar that you'd like to edit, go ahead and click Edit. Now we're going to make sure that we're under Availability. There are several different things that you can choose from. Go ahead and choose the second, which is Availability. And now this is where you're going to be able to have that 12 a.m. to 12 a.m. setting. This is going to cover that 24 hours a day possibility in that availability. You'll also be able to keep both your start and stop time the same. This is an amazing update for people that are working across timelines, time zones, and really want that full 24 hours a day of availability. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.